Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to bleach your hair at home so you don't have to spend a lot of money going to your hairdresser. And so this works at home very fast, you can do it yourself. I've been googling this and says vinegar like raw apple cider vinegar. It says it will leave a reddish highlights. You have to be careful. It depends on the hair. When you have a dark brown, it can turn reddish. When you have already dark blonde, it will go more to the blonde side. This is just based on my own experience. I'm not a professional in any kind. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm not, nothing. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm just telling you based on my from my own experience. It says mix apple cider vinegar 50-50 with distilled water, spray on all over the over to lighten all over your hair, or apply with cotton ball or brush for strands of highlights. Leave on 30 minutes and rinse out. Yeah, this is really amazing. I didn't know this, and I've just found out. And yeah, I've tried it and it really worked. And how I did it, I was using this product, and this is already pre-diluted. I don't know how much it's diluted. Maybe it's 50-50, maybe it's more. I don't know. It says ready to drink, no mixing. So I thought this is it has already a good dilution, so it won't hurt or it won't do any harm to the skin. If you're using too much concentrated vinegar, of course it can totally burn your skin, burn your hair, and whatever. The good thing about this product, it does also contain lemon, and lemon is also a thing which helps bleaching your hair. So it has actually two ingredients which help to bleach the hair. So this is really a good thing, and I've tried this. I have been washing my hair, I dried it, and then I put this thing into a bowl and put it on with my hand. So but of course I recommend doing this with gloves. And I left it on for half an hour and it worked awesomely. It changed a lot. So if you want to just try a little bit, maybe you leave it on for 15 minutes or so, and don't do 30 minutes. And they say you should only do it, I think, once in a month, of course, to prevent any kind of bad reaction to your skin or maybe to your hair, whatever. And I think it's a good thing. It has also honey in there. I think maybe this is also, and cinnamon. I think maybe this is also a good thing to your skin. I don't know, but actually there was no bad reaction, no rash, no burning sensation, no itching, no nothing. So I think this is a really good product. You don't even have to dilute it. It's also a good thing to use for detox, but you can really use it to bleach your hair. So from my side, I would really recommend, but it's just based on my personal experience. If you want to be 100% sure, if you have an important thing and you want to do it, so it's definitely better to go to a professional. But if you maybe have your child, teenager or whatever, and wants a little bit of brighter hair, or yeah, you don't have a very important job, as long as you're not the president of the United States, yeah, it says White House, and that's really amazing. Yeah, if you're not in the news or yeah, on TV or whatever, so yeah, I think you can really take the risk. Um, yeah, but of course, if you want to be safe 100%, so go to a professional. And if you want to do it on your own, you want to save some money, I think this is a good opportunity. So I put down the link in the description, and yeah, if you wanna buy this, of course you can find it in supermarkets, but if you don't want to drive to supermarkets and save the gas, so you can buy this on Amazon with this link. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.